But the second question is, do we really want to live forever on Earth? You may never have thought about this, but in light of recent developments with artificial intelligence, have you heard of Ray Kurzweil, a famous American inventor? If you haven't, please check him out on YouTube or read some of his best-selling books. For example, Singularity is Near. Ray Kurzweil is a person who is working with pattern recognition technology, and he wants to achieve singularity, which means the complete merging of human biology with computer technology. And he believes that by merging human biology with computer technology, we can achieve singularity and immortality. Humans can become physically immortal because they will be enhanced, half human, half machines. So this question of whether we want actually to live forever here on Earth is not a theoretical question. It may be a practical question. Ray Kurzweil himself wants to live forever. He's in his 60s. He takes 250 vitamins per day. He goes through medical tests twice a year, and he claims that while in his 60s, his body works as if he is in his 40s. So he plans to achieve physical immortality in his present in his present life. But again, the question is, what would this mean? I think he may be right, and maybe at some point we will be able to enhance our bodies, and we will be able to live, let's say, 1,000 years. 1,000 years looks like eternity. Maybe even we can escape aging, and we can, let's say, live for 1,000 years as young people. Not bad. However, the problem is that one thing that so far people were not able to escape is suffering. Even when you are young, you suffer. And you suffer in many ways, from physical pain, from psychological pain, emotional pain, etc. So live forever here on Earth means suffering here forever on Earth. So personally, I think that the idea of physical immortality equals the idea of creating hell on Earth.